Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a random number generating using your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So what I will do is I will drag and drop a button in here, and I will change the text of this button as random number generator, and let me change the font of this button to a bigger font so you can see. So now we are ready to write the code. Just double click this button, and in here we are going to write the code to generate random number generator. First of all, we will create a new object of the class random, which is already there in your Visual Basic. So what I will do is I will write dim rn as new random. Okay, so this will create object of class random. And for example, I want to show, or I want to generate this random number between a minimum and a maximum limit. So for example, I want to create this random number between 5 to 50. How can I do this? I will show you. So let me show this random number in a message box. I will write message box dot show, and in between this message box argument I will write rn, which is my random number object, dot next, and in here I will write two arguments in the next function. So here I will write a minimum and maximum limit of the random number which I want to generate. So for example, I want to generate a random number between 5 and 50, so I will write first argument as 5 and second argument as 50. And now when I run the program, and when I click this random number generator, it will create a random number between 5 to 50. So it created 33, which is between 5 to 50, 10, 39, 44. All the numbers are between 5 to 50, and all the numbers are generated randomly. And for example, I want to generate a random number between 1000 to 10,000, and let's run the program once again, and I will just click this button once again. It generates a random number between 1000 and 10,000. See, it's generating every time different numbers. So in this way you can create a random number between any minimum and maximum limits, and in this way you can use a random number generator. You can use these random number generator generally in games when you want some function to perform randomly or create random uh, numbers. I hope you have understood the concept, and so I will wrap up this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye.